This is the guy who was talking about my pipe bag seam sealer. It's working brilliant down there. It's a weld, the seam sealer, weld seam sealer. Hopefully this comes up. I'm getting a small bit better at it. I don't really care how much it looks. It looks too much. I just don't want it to rust. Probably been a week since I recorded on. I just worked for the week without doing any video on this stuff. This is the headboard all finished and painted. I'm waiting for taillights to come in. I think that, and there's a firebox, fire extinguisher cabinet going there, and just some electronics. So I'm not putting it on the truck until I get all that stuff in it. But that's it all painted, ready to go. I just painted the doors yesterday on Sunday, and it's absolutely freezing here now, so nothing's drying. So kind of just leaving everything the way it was, and I'll show putting it together. These are my rear brackets for holding my taillights on the back of the truck. You see me taking them off, the burger lights off the panels. The panels were rusted all the way through in some spots, so I spent an hour cleaning it, and it took me an hour and a half to make these up, and 4mm steel. So they are drilled for the side markers. I'm having little burger markers with the side ones there, small little ones. The tail light obviously isn't in yet for these either, so I need to drill that out, and I've just the number plate drilled out and lights. Yeah, so that's all that done there. So what I'm doing here now is, this is a toolbox I found years ago in a dumpster, and I straightened it up, and I was using it for a while, but I want to put it inside here. It fits in between these two shelves just perfectly, but I just have to cut off a couple of mil here off the top of this. I'll be losing this anyway, and then I can keep that. There's a tray that goes in there for tools, and this is an old box, and them drawers are sticking, so they shouldn't open while I'm driving. Yes, I'm going to do now. I'm just going to cut that off and get it fitting. Okay, now it's the 10th of February. This is done now. So well over a month has gone by since I started this. I just took the camera in yesterday to look at the videos, so I thought I'd get this bit done today. I'm having trouble getting the lights, tail lights and stuff in, but I've all this wired now ready to go. And there'll be my brake lights, and I have 2 more tail lights in here, but I might swap them around depending on how the lighting looks. And this box is done now. Toolbox and stuff is in there. And then on the back, all the wiring for the slide bed will be wired into this junction box. Make it nice and easy for me to get up here. And I have room here for another smaller junction box in case I want to wire the flashing lights and stuff in there. But I don't think I will, but I think everything will fit in there. And that's that now, ready to go. I just want to tidy up the last couple of wires and put it on the back of the truck. That's that bit finished now. They're all set up there. Next problem is this. Head of the engine is gone. I'm just waiting for the head to get redone. That's all that ready to go. The next job on that truck now is I'm waiting for the head to come back, probably today or tomorrow, and I'll get that on. And once the truck is running, all I'm doing is the side rails, paint them blue, put the marker lights on it. I want to leave that to last, and then it's just the wiring and just simple things. I want to do the brakes, discs and pads, and there's a couple of bushings, spring bushings I want to do, and then she's ready to go get tested. I'm sure it'll fail on a couple of things. It's been sitting up for so many years, probably sitting up 10 years now. Not being run right, so there'll probably be loads of stuff to do in it. So I'll leave that video there, and I don't know, I might do a video of me putting the head back on if I'm able to. And then I've never put a head back on a Cummins engine before, so someone can tell me if I've done something wrong.